It's a nice classroom with clear viewing sightlines. I'm looking forward to my online learning. I've got my bag and I have everything I need to be ready. I have a paper, a pen, a laptop, glasses, and a drink. The lecture is starting now. The lecturer or teacher will introduce the course, program, they will explain the timetable for semester 1, semester 2, and it's a 3-year plan. It's now 2021 and finishes in 2024. I can see a BSL interpreter next to the lecturer. They're opposite a deaf student. I must meet them later and maybe say hello. So now I can take notes on my laptop. There are useful resources, information, and you can have a look on websites by clicking the link and accessing information, meaning I can work and learn from home. There will be group work or pair work or lone working. Break time or lunch time. Today starts and finish time. It's a 3-hour class.